Hi guys, welcome back to the channel Achieving Online Freedom. In this video today, I'll be showing you how to fix your locked Snapchat account. So let's go ahead and get started. The first way I'm going to show you is very simple. You want to go to a searching browser like Google or Safari. I'm going to go ahead and use Safari. And then you want to look up Unlock Snapchat Account. Once you have done this, you want to click Search. And then it should be the very first option. You want to go and select my account is locked, Snapchat support. Once you're here, it will give you ideas on why your account may have been locked and also ways on how you could fix your locked Snapchat account. Some reasons that you may have been locked out. If you scroll down, it says you possibly could be using a third-party app, plugin, or tweak to access Snapchat or the services on Snapchat. You possibly could have been sending spam or other behavior that goes against the community guidelines. And they also could have detected suspicious activity on your account. So there's also more, but that's all I'll say. And these are some reasons. But if you want to go ahead and try to log back into your account, you want to scroll up on this page and find my account has been permanently locked. You want to go ahead and click unlock your account. From here, you want to log back into your Snapchat account. Once you have done this, more than likely there'll be a pop-up on your Snapchat account saying that your account has been logged, but you can still unlock it. You'll see a big button on the bottom to click unlock. From there, all you have to do is just follow the instructions that Snapchat gives you. And then once you're done with that, your account should be good to go and it should no longer be locked. So I hope this video helped. If it did, please make sure to like and subscribe. Let me know if you want me to make any kind of other videos, and I will see you in the next video.